Hello everyone. In the last video, I started a very interesting series of videos where I solve one algorithmical problem with three different programming languages: JavaScript, Python, and C++. So in the last video, I started the problem, and today I want to finish it. So if you watched last video, and if you didn't, please watch it. You know that we need to make two functions that convert decimal to factorial number systems and back. And I already made the second one that converts factorial to decimal, and now I need to make the decimal to factorial. So let's start. First one, what we need to do is to define how many digits will it be in factorial number system. So which maximal amount of digits we can have? Maximum we can have 10 plus 26, 36 digits, because we are limited to 36 different symbols for digits. It is numbers from 0 to 9 and letters from A to Z. So we will make a for loop for let I be 36. We can have 37 different digits, or no, 36. I just thought about the last digit that is always 0 and is in base 0 factorial. But no, it has one variant is always 0, and the biggest number of variants is 36 for a digit possible number. So we can have maximum 36 digits. And now I needs to be bigger than 0, and I minus, because we go from down from we go from higher numbers to lower. And now we need to make a variable with digits be equal to let digits be equal to just let digits. Sometimes I forget something in JavaScript. It can happen. So, and now we check if the factorial of I is smaller or equal to n, then digits equal to, does I have just 0, then the factorial 1 is bigger, then the factorial of 1 is equal, and we can have one digit. We have 5, then factorial of, if we have 5 digits, then the factorial of then the factorial of 5 will be bigger, and we will have 5 digits. digits is equal to I plus 1. Because here I is the maximal number which factorial is smaller than n, and we need to have the minimum number which factorial is bigger than n. So here we need to take I plus 1 and now we need to make another variable. Let result equal to empty list. And now we will already be constructing the result. So I'll just copy this. Oh wait, I forgot one very important line. Break. Because if we continue, then the variable digits will always be 0. Will always be 2. So we need to break a loop. And now let I be equal to digits. Also I bigger than 0 and I minus minus. We'll be iterating. We'll make so many iterations as many digits there are. And then here we will detect what each digit will be. Because wait, how we can do it? The number is as you already know from the first video, any number system, decimal, binary or factorial can be defined as a list of bases or weights, as I call them. And every digit and every weight corresponds to some digit, and every digit has corresponding weight. And the number written in any and if we have some number in some number system, then the number that it represents is the first digit times its weight plus the second digit times its weight, and so on. And how can we define what digits are if we know weights and the number? Very simple. We just check how many times can we put the biggest weight into the number. And for example, if A here must be 5, then we can put only 5 numbers, 10 to the power of 7, into x. And like that, we define that A is equal to 5. B is equal to, for example, 7. But here, we need to always subtract from x the A, for example, A times 10 to the power of 7 after defining A, then B to the power of, then B times 10 to the power of 6 when we define B, after we defined B, and so on. So let's do it. Yeah, very simple. But now, what we need to do is to, for example, if we have some digits need to be equal to 11, then it corresponds to the letter B. But here, the result will be on the 11. So we need to convert every number into a corresponding symbol that we can use as a simple digit. So we take digit variance and take its element with the index of this creepy expression. And now we have a digit that we can use. And result dot push digit. And now this minus operation. Oh, actually I need to double the variable n. Let num equal to n. And here we use num, not n. And why do I do it? Because changing the parameters is bad. Num or yes, num minus equal to this pretty thing times the factorial I. So it's basically like the mod operation. But I just don't know how is that there any function for mod operation in JavaScript, so I wrote it as it is. And yeah, now we're ready to return the result dot join, because the result, as you remember, is an array, and we need to join it. So let's test. And what? I don't know why, but it adds the 0 to the left. And oh, I still forgot one thing, because what? Yes, because the last digit is always 0, and we didn't include it. I is more than 0, bigger than 0. We need to include it. Well, result. I could just result dot push 0. So now I hope it will work. Yes, it adds the 0. So here at the end it is 3 zeros, and yeah, here's also 3. But here, why is here this 0 at the start? What is wrong? Oh, yeah, because here we take the maximum, the maximum factorial of some number bigger than n, but even number which factorial is bigger than n, and it is the lowest such number. The digit with this index will always be 0. So here I was wrong. I don't need +1. Let's test it. Works perfect. Now attempt. Yes! It works just perfect. That's so cool. Yeah. So I don't think that we will take time to look at other solutions. I will just say congratulations to you. Thank you for your attention. It is very important to me. If you have any questions to my code or to my explanation, you can always ask me in comments. And if you have anything to say for me, any advice, you can always write down. And it helps me a lot. And now at this level, when I have a lot of really programmers at the level as subscribers, I want to start a little conversation, and I think it will be cool. Okay, fine. I will just take time to look. My solution isn't. What was that? Okay. Oh, mine. It is good that my solution isn't grouped with any other solution, because it means that my solution is really unique. It's kind of unique. So thank you very much, and see you next time. Have a nice day.